Market moves coming at you. I have a age-old question we're going to get into today. Is holding long-term better than trading short-term? I have this computer program I am about to run right in front of you, and it's going to break this myth down right now. Stay tuned. But please, please, please hit that subscribe button. You won't regret it. I put out content to make you a better trader as much as I can. So on the top right hand corner is my trading playlist of technical analysis. This is one skill I recommend everyone learns 10 minutes a day, 2 hours a week. This will make you a better investor long term. So top right hand corner, check it out. We're going to get into the program to defy the myth of who is a better investor, long-term or trading short-term? What is the better strategy? And this is an age-old question. Some people think they can beat long-term investors like Warren Buffett by trading, and we're going to show you from this computer program I wrote who is the winner. So as you saw maybe in the previous episode, I made a Pine Editor strategy test. This is where you implement a trading strategy, and you pretty much have a code that buys and sells at certain points. So this is using my market mover indicator. My indicator basically turns green, telling you to buy, and I programmed it to actually buy when it turns green, and then when it turns blue or orange, you sell it. And I programmed that as well. So if this can beat long-term trading, I'm going to be shocked. And I think it should, honestly. So Strategy Tester is what you go to in tradingview.com. This is going to help you understand how the results come out and how the strategy looks on the website and with all the list of trades and whatnot. So it's got performance summary, it's got your list of trades, and it's got different time frames you can trade off of. So we're going to trade the 4-hour chart because most traders live in that 4-hour world or that 2-hour world. So I'm just going to input my money to be $3,000. That's kind of what I am programming myself to use. And with $3,000, you're looking at 26% return over this huge period. I don't know when it starts, but it should be like a 10-year period. So you can see all these orders getting put in. A lot of trading happening here and there, but you have to be patient because there's also long periods where there's no trading signals. So you're going to see the strategy tester. It's going to put out results right now. It's got 60 total trades on the 2-hour chart with 70% profitability, 4 profit factor, and a max drawdown of 4. So this, I suggest you use this with options because if you can leverage a 1% move with options, it's going to be more like 50 to 80% return. So this 26% you see here is more like 1,000 to 2,000% depending on when you get in the trade, when you get out of the trade, what option you buy. So 26% is what we're working with, but mentally know you can leverage that and make it much, much higher. So performance summary, we're going to compare that to a long-term investor. So here we go with the information here, and buy and hold return. This is where you want to grow, where you want to go. So buy and hold would yield you 789%. So if you put $3,000 in the market, it'd be almost $24,000 in this time period. So this is pretty amazing. This is hard to beat. So what you have to ask yourself is, can you leverage 26% to beat 780%? Because that is what you're working against. You're working also against the discipline of trading, the strategy you have, the rules you have to follow. So there's a lot of moving factors when you're trading and getting these signals. So I am one for the market mover indicator. I love it. I want you to try it for free for 7 days. But in the long term, I want you to also realize that you are winning if you just buy and hold. Because 700% without doing a single thing is the way to invest. Don't get it twisted. These day trades are fun, weekly trades are fun, but 700%, like, you can't beat that. And if you can in a year, like, my hat's off to you, but this is an indicator I have. It gives you great, great signals, and it doesn't even come close to just buying and holding long term. So unfortunately, this does not look good for you traders, but if you want to get into this game and you want to get perfect this skill and get great at it, I think that's a good thing. And I think if this is your passion, stick to it. It's mine. I like to trade. But in my back of my mind, I'm thinking long term, best way to trade, best way to hold, best way to invest. So I want everyone to know this on my channel. Buying and holding is the best thing to do. Don't get it twisted, all right? So this is all I got. Market Moves signing off. Peace. For more information on the Market Mover Indicator, free consultation talks, and courses, head to the website marketmovesmatt.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out the latest and popular videos I have uploaded.